Welcome to the Basic Excel course. In this very first lesson, we're going to explore a fundamental concept in Excel, the workbook. Understanding how a workbook functions is essential when working in Excel. Don't worry if you're completely new. This lesson will walk you through everything step by step. When you first open Excel, you're working with a workbook. Think of it simply as your working file or project space. Inside each workbook, you'll find multiple worksheets. These worksheets are like separate pages or tabs within your file. To rename a worksheet, right-click on the worksheet tab you want to rename. Select Rename. Enter a new name, something like Lesson 1 to keep things organized. To add a new worksheet, click the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Here's a quick tip to work more efficiently with your workbook. You can rearrange the order of worksheets by clicking and dragging them to a new position. Just click and hold the tab, then drag it left or right to where you want it. Now that you understand what a workbook is and how to perform basic actions with it, go ahead and try it yourself. Create a new workbook. Rename the worksheets. Add a few more tabs. Save your file in Excel format. Let's get started.